I have done it again. Like I always do, I filled my day up with tasks that I was so sure I had the time to complete. And like always, I bit off way more than I can chew. But the one thing I have no choice, I have to finish today, is my meal prepping. If I don't do that, I will not eat right all week. And, as some of you might know, I am participating in a 60-day challenge to gain muscle. So eating is a must. So now we're gonna cook up some chicken. One thing about me is I can eat the same thing over and over and over again. Chicken tacos for every day of the week? Sure, why not? I'll bust out the big pan for this. Just a little bit of olive oil. Whoops. That was a little more than I meant to pour in there. Oh well. Food is not about perfection. If it was, then I would have no business cooking. Gonna trim up my bag of chicken. My entire reasoning for putting it in that bag is because I hate how wet everything gets when chicken is thawing. But there was a big old hole in this. The thought process was there. The execution was lacking. Ugh. I really didn't want to do this, but it also was supposed to be my lunch for today. And I'm hungry. I have a really nice knife that would have made this 10 times faster. My chef skills are so lacking, I treat steak knives like the universal knife. I don't even know what the rest of the block is for. Ugh. Ugh. Some of you watching this might be thinking, Faber, I've seen you make this before. And I would say, you're correct. I'm not a chef, I'm an athlete. This is a dangerous game we're playing. These tongs do not want to hold on. Get these flipped over. And we're gonna give them a little bath. Did you know that some people have lids that fit their pans? Isn't that crazy? That means it's cooking. I think I'm gonna weigh this so I actually know how much chicken I have here. I have another one I can throw in here, but if this is enough, that would save me a little bit of time. How many pounds is 26 ounces? The answer is 1 pound 10 ounces, which means I don't have enough. I'm going for about 2 pounds. I'm just gonna bust out a second pan to cook this little guy. Feels a little bit like a waste, but I'm the one who has to do the dishes anyway, so. Gonna use our very health-conscious pre-packaged seasoning here with all the sodios you could ask for. Last time I made this chicken, somebody very intelligently suggested I get one of those hand mixers to shred it, and I haven't done that. But what I do have is this Ninja, which will obliterate it. It will be beyond shredded. But you know, I'm just not that picky. Food is food. I spelled on myself. Can't be trusted to cook in my good shirt. Woo! She's hot. That's our second little piece of chicken, just in case you forgot that was waiting over there. Ah! Woo! That was so dramatic for no reason. In my head, that was gonna go right through my foot. Oh! I guess if you don't go 100 miles an hour, it does kind of shred it a little bit instead of turn it into a paste. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to take cooking tips from me. This is not my strong suit. I cook to eat. I eat to work out. Okay, last one. Then I can have some lunch. I just did that without the lid on. So now there's chicken all up in this thing. I'm really good at this. All right, here we go. Just a boatload of shredded chicken. So I think what I plan on using this for today is gonna be chicken tacos. Then tomorrow I might make chicken tacos. Then I think I'll probably make a chicken quesadilla. Just to add variety. I'll probably use it for chicken tacos on the next day. Where are all my super simple eaters at?